Well, now our coverage continues today of the Delphi murders trial. This is day 16 of testimony.
The suspect, Richard Allen's attorneys, called one witness who took the stand despite an objection from prosecutors. Our Samantha Johnson has been in the courtroom all day.
And she joins us now live from Delphi. We have an office set up there, and she breaks down what was said in the courtroom today. Good evening, Sam.
Good evening to you, Scott and Anne Marie. That witness was a psychiatrist who specializes in solitary confinement and false confessions. And like you mentioned, the state was concerned that he maybe wasn't aware of the parameters of this case, what to say, maybe what not to say. We know this doctor isn't from the area, but the judge allowed it anyway. And so for about 45 minutes today, we heard from Dr. Stuart Gracian, who talked about what he called some of the symptoms of extended time in solitary confinement, two of them being confusion and delirium. Now, this doctor says he listened to phone calls, watched videos, and reviewed transcripts of Richard Allen's time in solitary confinement, and he concluded Allen was, quote, absolutely showing signs of delirium. And that, of course, supports the defense's argument that Allen's mental health had deteriorated when he confessed in prison to killing Abby Williams and Libby German. Then, later today, for about 2 hours, we heard from Dr. Eric Warren. He works as a forensic scientist with firearms and crime scene reconstruction. His testimony was all about that, quote, cycled, unfired round collected at the crime scene that was found between the girls' bodies. He talked all about gun assembly and how different parts or pressure or speed can make different marks on cartridges. He was also critical of the way state police handled the original examination of that cartridge. You'll hear more from his testimony during tonight's Delphi debrief on the WTHR Plus streaming app. Now, lastly today, we also heard from a digital forensic examiner, and she says she discovered new information in the data pulled by Indiana State Police from Libby German's cell phone. And she says that data suggests someone actually plugged in headphones to that phone and then disconnected them nearly 5 hours later on the day the girls were reported missing. Scott and Anne Marie, we have never heard that before. That's brand new information that we heard today inside the courtroom. There's a lot to recap and debrief in tonight's Delphi debrief, so we'll see you back here tonight coming up at 10 o'clock.